Yo, what's up everybody? It's Lynn here. And today we're talking about something that's straight out of the future, drone deliveries. But this isn't some sci-fi movie, this is happening right now, right here in South Africa. We're going to break down everything you need to know about starting your own drone delivery business, from the tech to the regulations and everything in between. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or just curious about the future of logistics, this video is your one-stop shop, so buckle up, let's unpack this. Alright, before you even think about launching a fleet of delivery drones, we've got to talk about the rules of the sky. South Africa, like any other country, has strict regulations for operating drones, especially for commercial purposes. We're talking about the South African Civil Aviation Authority, SACAB, and their regulations. You need to be on top of things like licensing your drone, getting the right permits for operating commercially, and understanding the limitations on where and when you can fly. Think of it like getting your driver's license, but for drones. You wouldn't hit the road without knowing the rules, right? Same goes here. We're talking about airspace restrictions, weight limitations, altitude limits, and even specific certifications for pilots. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's all there to ensure safety and responsible operation. We'll drop some helpful links in the description below to get you started on the SACAA website and other resources. Do your homework, understand the regulations inside and out, and make sure you're compliant every step of the way. Remember, safety first, always. Now for the fun part, the tech. Choosing the right drone is like picking the right smartphone. It all depends on what you need it to do. Are you delivering small packages, medical supplies, or maybe even that hot pizza everyone's craving? Different drones come with varying payload capacities, range, and even weather resistance. You've got your multi-rotor drones for those shorter hops, fixed-wing drones for longer distances, and even hybrid models that combine the best of both worlds. And don't forget about the software. You'll need a robust system for flight planning, tracking your drones in real time, and managing your deliveries efficiently. We're talking about things like obstacle avoidance systems, battery life, and even the software you use to manage your fleet. Remember, reliability is key here. You need a drone that can handle the demands of your business and deliver those packages safely and on time. Even with the coolest tech in the sky, you won't get far without understanding your market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and pain points? Are you targeting businesses, individuals, or maybe even remote communities with limited access? Research is key here. Conduct surveys, analyze demographics, and figure out what kind of delivery service would truly benefit your target audience. Maybe it's about speed, convenience, or even just offering a unique and innovative solution. Once you have a grasp on your market, you can tailor your services to meet those specific needs. Are you offering same-day delivery, scheduled deliveries, maybe even a subscription service for regular deliveries? The possibilities are endless, but it all starts with knowing your customer. Now let's get real for a second. Starting any business comes with challenges, and drone delivery is no different. We're talking about things like weather conditions that could ground your fleet, unexpected technical glitches, and even concerns about privacy and security. And let's not forget about the competition. You've got established logistics companies and even startups all vying for a piece of the pie. But hey, challenges are just opportunities in disguise, right? The key is to anticipate these hurdles and have contingency plans in place. Have backup drones ready to go, invest in robust security measures, and be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions. So you've got your drones, your permits, and your market knowledge. Now it's time to spread the word. Marketing is all about showcasing the value proposition of your drone delivery service. Highlight the speed, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness compared to traditional methods. Leverage social media content marketing and even partnerships with local businesses to get the word out. Think outside the box. Maybe you can offer discounts for first-time users, run promotions during peak seasons, or even sponsor local events to increase brand visibility. And remember, customer feedback is crucial for growth. Listen to your clients, address their concerns, and constantly strive to improve your services. So there you have it, a crash course on starting your own drone delivery business right here in South Africa. It's a rapidly evolving industry with incredible potential, and now you've got the knowledge to be a part of it. Remember, do your research, stay informed about regulations, and most importantly, be passionate about what you're doing. The sky's the limit, literally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on starting your own business.